First of all, let's just, before I even begin, because I am gonna curl my hair with rollers, and my hair is like semi-damp-ish, okay? But before I start, let's just take a moment and thank God, okay guys, because my husband knows that I'm on YouTube now. I didn't have the balls, yeah, I said it. I didn't have the balls to tell him. What happened was, he went into my camera, kind of like, I guess, looking around to see what I had in my camera, and I had a video. So, you guys, so as soon as I saw him that he was looking at my camera, I figured this is the time to tell him. But I was doing a client, so I waited a little bit. And when my client went home, I told him, and lo and behold, he's okay with it. What? Where's my husband? And I don't want him back because I like this one. Okay? I mean, I want my husband, but I don't want. I look like I'm like a nun. Hold on. Okay, this is better because you can see. Oh, but then now my knees. Shit, you not. I need a booster. Okay, I keep saying it, but I'm just too lazy to go get it because I'm not gonna order a freaking booster. I'm gonna go buy it. All right. So today, I'm doing rollers. Okay, I'm gonna do some rollers, old school rollers. So if you guys are going out at night and you want some volume in this hair but you don't feel like blow drying, rollers are the way to go. They're good for your hair, you know, like less heat, less blow drying, less split ends, and all that stuff. So if you guys want to see how I do my rollers, then stay tuned. Here we go. So the bigger the roller, the bouncier your hair is gonna be in the roots, okay guys? The smaller the roller, okay? If you see a little bit of hair, it's just because, you know, this is Velcro that I'm using. You don't have to use Velcro, you can use anything. This is just seem easier because I don't have to really put much clips. I do sometimes put kind of like a bobby pin in just because sometimes it does move, but Velcro is easier for me. So as you see, this one's bigger. You can see here, this one's bigger, this one's a little smaller, and this one's smaller. So if you want like really like bouncy curls down here and curls that you can see, then you get the smaller one. If you want like bounce just up here, then you get a bigger. And then of course there's bigger rollers. These are just the ones that I'm going to use right now. Yeah. Where did I put my comb at? Okay, so here we go. This is going to be a little difficult for me because the only mirror that I have is my camera that, you know, it has the little screen that flips around. So, but because I never do anything too perfect, it really doesn't matter. So I want some volume on my roots. See how the Velcro just keeps it there? Now, I do put bobby pins once in a while because I even have a bobby pin in here stuck, so, and hair and everything else. So you just take sections out, and my hair's a little semi-damp, okay? Because, excuse me, I'm gonna go under my portable dryer. Now, you don't need to go under portable dryer. You can, let's just say your event is at night. You can put your rollers on throughout the day and, you know, make sure that your hair is semi-damp or even dry. Like if your hair is dry, that's great too. But then that defeats the purpose if you don't want to blow dry. So, okay, so it's semi-dry. You don't want it to be drenched wet because it will never dry without a dryer. And if you have a dryer and it's drenched, you're gonna be like under that dryer for like 24 hours. I'm just kidding. Well, a long time. Okay, so make sure it's like, you know, almost dry or whatever, you know, not like drenched. Okay, so yeah, I usually take like little sections, not like perfect. should have combed my hair beforehand because now I'm like ripping my hair off, and that's not good. Don't do this at home, okay? Don't rip your hair off, okay? I can be a little rough with my hair. So I'm gonna get a different, just because right now my other roller is on the floor and I really don't care how my hair is gonna turn out, because I just want some bouncing curls, bouncing curls, bouncing curls, bouncing. That's not a song. All right. So guys, once I'm finished this, then I'm just gonna go underneath my dryer and let it dry. You guys, like, seriously, like, you see all these faces that I make? That's really me. Like, I'm always like, that's why I need Botox. That's just me. That's just that. I can't help it. I try, like, I tell myself, don't do that on camera. Don't do that on camera, but I just do. I'm gonna put this here for now. It's gonna stay still. You don't have to do this. Actually, I don't like doing this much. Like putting it there and then going underneath the dryer, because then I get like lines in my hair. So that's just for now until I get my bobby pins, because I didn't get my bobby pins. Make sure you comb your hair before you start rolling it. Oh, and yeah, also I used palm mousse on my hair. Always put a product on your hair, because the product actually helps you with frizziness, one. And two, it gives you like the desire, if you want volume in your hair, if you want root, like your volume in your roots, then you put root booster. Again, I'm stuck with the big sexy hair by Reckon. I love amplifier also, and Bumble, but I have to freaking order it online. Like, I can find the amplifier. I can't find the Bumble that I absolutely love. But that one is a freaking, like, when you're blow drying your hair, holy shoot, you gotta make sure that you don't put so much, because if you do, it's hard. Like, I've experienced that. So, okay, so yeah, make sure you put some products in your hair. Products are, they're so good for your hair, no matter, like, it gives you less frizziness. It gives you the volume that you need. It's not, especially like straight hair girls. I mean, the curly hair girls could get away with not much product. I still will put some kind of product in the hair, like maybe some kind of silky something, shiny something for the curly hair girls. But straight hair girls, put some mousse in the hair, please. Your end result will be so much better. All right, so as you can see, I didn't go perfect on it, because you don't want perfect hair, like back in the day. None of that stuff. It's just, you want bounce. You want it to be like messy, and well, at least that's what I want. Of course, if you want, there's a specific style that you're doing, like if you're doing an updo at home and you want your hair to go this way, well, then you're gonna put your roller coming this way. Because if you put it back like I do, like I have it right now, then your hair is gonna lay that way, because it's gonna set that way. The cuticles are gonna close that way. So yes, but because I just want my hair going back and kind of like splitting in the middle, I guess I did it crazy. I use all kinds of different color rollers, big, small, because I want it not perfect. Okay. So now it's time to go downstairs and fold clothes and go underneath my dryer, my portable. So while I look like a little old lady, it's okay. Go underneath the dryer and fold my clothes. Do a mommy thing. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. See, that's me. Oh my god. I am a dork. Okay, that's it. I'll be back. Alright, so this is my little, I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Is it golden hot? Hold on. It is. See, I told you guys I like golden hot. Like the product, or the brand golden hot. I do have to like kind of lift myself up a little bit, because obviously this is a portable one, so I have to be my little pinky, because I was underneath the dryer. Okay, so remember, these are supposed to be like, you see that this is what it's supposed to be. If it's smaller, then you have a curlier. It's more bounce. See that? That's all I was looking for. I get excited like I've never seen it before. Oh, guys. I don't know why I said that. So I forgot to put my light again when I was taking my rollers off, but now it's on. And if you want to tease it a little bit, you can. I'm not a big teaser for my hair. I don't really like teasing my hair, but you know, you look at that. See that? So this is it, guys. I hope you guys liked it. I'm actually going to lunch with my husband, and so if this was like a short one, I'm so sorry. If you guys want me to do another one, I will. That's about it.